Now, Godrej Properties today launched its much-awaited commercial project in Mumbai's Bandra Kurla complex. It's been priced at about 28,000 rupees per square feet, at least for now. The property, remember, is held in a 50-50 joint venture with Jet Airways and, of course, Godrej. It's expected to generate about 4,000 crore rupees in revenues for Godrej Properties. In fact, that stock was up as much as 10% in trades today. But let's take it across then for this story by Ritu Singh.
2 years after Godrej Group came to the rescue of India's largest private carrier Jet Airways and agreed to jointly develop one of Mumbai's most posh commercial plot, the Godrej BKC project has finally taken off. It was a lucrative deal for Naresh Goyal's debt-ridden airline back then, as Godrej took on the carrier's 360 crore debt obligation as part of the deal. While Jet's fortunes may not have changed much since then, Godrej is desperately hoping for a turnaround in the commercial real estate.
We think that this project will do very well, that there is not a huge amount of supply coming. Most developers are not looking at commercial real estate in a big way right now. Certainly there isn't going to be much incremental supply during the time period we are launching this project in Bandra Kurla complex.
Godrej Properties' main focus has always been residential real estate, and the company is treading a safe path with only one commercial project launched this year. While banks may be reluctant to lend money to the real estate sector, Godrej feels the funding of the 2,500 crore rupee project will not be a big issue.
We don't anticipate requiring any incremental capital. We think the sales from the project itself, the cash flows from those sales will be sufficient to meet all funding needs.
At a time when the Indian office space segment is going through some of its most trying times with falling rentals and limited demand from corporates to buy new office space, Pirojsha Godrej is betting big on a revival to save his latest commercial venture. But will his gamble pay off, or will it just add more burden on his already strained cash books? The markets will be watching out. Ritu Singh, ET Now, Mumbai.
Still ahead on business tonight, it's a breather for Motown as the CBEC sets up a committee on excise duty to